Okay, so the first step that everybody already has done is the two pictures. Picture 1 and picture 2. The next step is to flip them over and make 1-inch spaces on the back of each picture. So you're going to need a ruler. You're going to put your ruler on the edge of the paper and you're going to mark off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is very much the same as what we just did with the 2-inch spaces on the Paul Klee design. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and now connect the dots.
Michael said he didn't care because when April Fool's comes.
All right. Once that's done, I'll show you what the next step. Okay, so the next step, I have all my lines, 1-inch spaces on both papers. The next step is to put numbers and letters on each paper. The first paper, picture 1, is going to be numbered, but the most important thing is backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we can get a close-up, right?
It's backwards.
And it's backwards. And then this one, picture 2, is letters backwards from right to left. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Once that's done, make sure someone checks it out. Backwards, backwards, backwards. Left to left, right to left. Then you go get a nice piece of blue paper or whatever color. It's 9 by 18. And you're going to start adding these on by cutting one strip at a time. Stop for a minute. Okay, so you have your long paper, 9 by 18. You have your two 9 by 9s, numbered and lettered backwards, scissors and glue. I'm going to start with number 1. I'm going to cut number 1, glue the strip, and now it's going to go left to right. So number 1 goes to the left. Make sure it's straight and right side up. Then you go to A. Glue the strip. So then that gets glued right next to it without overlapping. And then we're going to do 2. Do not cut all your strips apart at once. You'll have trouble finding them. Cut them one at a time. So after 2 comes B, 1A, 2B, 3C, 4D. I'm sure everybody gets that now. I'll glue this last one and then I'll keep going and then we'll show the finished product. Okay, so now I'm almost at the end here. I have just 2 left to go from each one. We have 8, H is next. So H. And then 9 and I, and that's the last one. If your last strip doesn't quite fit, you can just hang it off that edge a little bit like this, or you can say I don't need it. So that's the final, that's what it looks like when it's finally put together. Picture 1 and picture 2. And then the next time we get together, I will show you how to fold it when I'm back from my day off. Bye.